Kia ora koutou. Welcome to our video tutorial on the Financial Markets Authority online services. To visit the dedicated page on our website, click on the Financial Professionals page, then Online Services. FMA Online Services is a secure portal for submitting applications and information to the FMA. You will find useful guidance about the process and links to the online portal. We use RealMe to authenticate your login to FMA Online Services. If you don't have a RealMe login, you must create one by clicking here. You need to allow at least 5 working days for RealMe to complete your setup before accessing our online services. The first time you log into online services, you'll need to create an account profile. This includes providing your full legal name, your email address, and a contact telephone number. You are now at our main menu where you can apply for a license, amend a license, complete a regulatory return, complete a scheme return. More options will become available as new services are added. From this menu you can also access draft forms, submitted forms, and invoices. To expand the relevant section, click on the heading. Under My Drafts, you will see copies of draft forms in progress. Click on the green reference number to open the draft and continue working in it. To delete a draft, click on the Delete icon. When you submit your form, it will move to My Submitted Forms. My Submitted Forms lists forms that you have submitted, including the date submitted. To download a PDF copy of a submitted form, click on the green reference number. Then click the Download PDF icon. My Invoices lists all your paid invoices. Click on the green PDF link to view a copy of tax invoices and receipts. My Profile is where you view and update your personal information. To update your details, click on Change My Profile. Make any edits. Then click on Submit to save your changes. That concludes our tutorial about online services. For more information, please visit the Online Services page of the FMA website. If you have any questions, please email us at questions@fma.govt.nz. Thank you.